unbeatable, I am not unbreakable. No, I just can't get used to it. Never be immune to it. Pain is not impossible, yeah. How can you just tell me that it's over, but I'll be okay, yeah. And if I'm amazing, was it not enough to make you stay? 'Cause you let me go, so I'm gonna play. My heart is a bulletproof, is that what you think? Stay on the run, that's what I do. You say it's the best, and that's all it means. So I let you go, go, go. Why don't you just go, go, go? How did you go, go, go? What you say is true, yes,
I'm exhausted, baby, and I'm losing all control. I don't wanna see you walk away, but I gotta let it go. This pain is killing me, I'd rather die than have this hurt inside of me. You never understand, cause you the one that hurting me. I don't wanna let it show, so go ahead and go. I realize that it's over and I'm done feeling so low. No need for an explanation, and I'm lost in my frustration, and my blood is elevating, and I'm done with all this love. I think I've had enough, I don't wanna make it work. Let's leave it as it is, cause my mind is filled with thoughts. I can't afford the cost of another broken heart. I've accepted all the loss and the fact of us being apart. I loved you from the start, but I guess this where it ends. Enjoy your future without me, cause we will never be friends. Yeah, friends. VK.